energetic metaphor of who we are. So we already talked about the biological metaphor, cells and bodies. Let's think about the energetic one, which is holograms. And the interesting thing about holograms, of course, is if you took an enormous holographic plate and broke it into an infinite number of pieces, you'd have a very strange experience, because on the surface, every one of those pieces would look different. But we also know that every one of them, it's not a piece of the whole. Each one holds the whole, no matter how small it is. Or the mystical tradition saying, of course, when Blake says, the universe in the grain of sand, and the grain of sand is the universe. It's all saying the same thing. So who are we really? We are mystical cells in the mystical body called life, or the divine, which means that each of us brings our own unique shape, our own unique gifts and challenges on the surface. And underneath, in the blueprint of the template, each of us is the same, which means that we are in relationship with each other, and at a whole other level, I am you, and you are me. And when I do something terrible to you, I'm really doing something terrible to me. And when I know who you truly are and give you more love, I'm also really loving myself, and I'm loving all life by loving you. And when we remember that, we'll know what's fundamental about remembering, healing, and wholeness. And having said that, we can now turn to healing and how we do it.